Welcome to Sheboygan, Wisconsin, a city known for its beautiful lakeshore and friendly, welcoming community. Today, I'd love to tell you about our newest listing located at 2909 South 10th Street. This home is located in the beautiful Roosevelt Park neighborhood, which borders Lake Michigan. It is also close to shopping, schools, and many dining options. And the best part, it's only minutes away from Kohler Andre State Park. Living here, you can enjoy all that Sheboygan has to offer, from its beautiful beaches to its vibrant downtown.
Step right into this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath Colonial gem. As you cross the threshold, you'll bathe in natural light in the living space. Get a living room on this side and a dining room on the other. Around the corner, you'll find the first of 4 bedrooms. Fancy a home office? This is the spot. With that handy full bath right off it, and a full kitchen ready to whip up your favorite meals, this is a work-at-home paradise. Let's head upstairs and check out the bedrooms and the full bath. On the second floor, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms with ample closets. Now in the owner's suite, it's not just big, it's spacious. This room has a walk-in closet that is fit for a fashion lover's collection and an attached bath that has both a jetted tub and a stand-up shower, because who doesn't love choices? But wait, there's more. Step outside and behold the fully fenced-in backyard, perfect for summer barbecues, backyard sunbathing, or running around with those furry friends. And we didn't forget about parking. There's a 1.5-car garage behind me that leads out to the alley. This charming home is in a wonderful location, and it could be your next home sweet home. I'm Market.
And I'm Haley. We're your local realtors in Sheboygan County. This is our newest listing located at 2909 South 10th Street.
We'd love to show it to you, so give us a call, text, or email, and we'll see you soon.